We are thrilled to introduce Elementor 3.11, which includes new features that equip you with additional design capabilities, improve your workflow, and more. So let's dive in and discover what's new. First up, we have the Loop Carousel widget. With Elementor Pro 3.11, you can place the Loop Carousel widget anywhere on your website, design the main item template, and have each slide populated dynamically with content from WordPress. The main item template of the Loop Carousel can be designed in a similar manner to the Loop Grid, using the in-place editing directly on the page. And, just like the Loop Grid, you can choose to display content from your posts, custom post types, or WooCommerce product. Once you've designed your template and chosen the content to display, you can customize the carousel itself to determine its appearance. Set the number of slides, scroll speed, and more, so you can bring your vision to life. Want to know a little secret? You can use the same main item template for your Loop Grid and Loop Carousel, so you can repurpose your designs and accelerate your workflow. Next, we have the copy and paste between websites feature. With Elementor 3.11, you can copy and paste elements from the Elementor editor of one website to another with just a few clicks. Gone are the days of manual JSON file exports and imports. Excuse me, we're in the middle of something. Thanks. And for a better workflow and to maintain the design consistency across your site, we've made sure the elements you paste into your website's editor adopt the global styles of the website you pasted in. Pretty neat, right? Elementor 3.11 also introduces a new responsive background image sizing option that allows you to adjust the size of the background image to the device it's viewed on. This can have a massive impact on your website performance. By choosing a smaller image size on mobile, for example, you can speed up your website's loading time while ensuring your images remain sharp. As part of Elementor Pro 3.11, we've also added a new advanced rule in the pop-up builder for a date and time range. That way, you can set specific times for a pop-up to appear. This is incredibly useful when you want to schedule pop-ups to be displayed on a specific day or within a certain time range, without having to manually activate and deactivate it. For example, you can schedule a pop-up for the week of Women's Day to celebrate achievement and show support and appreciation for the important role women play in society, or promote upcoming events such as concerts, festivals, or trade shows with a targeted pop-up. Use the date and time range to ensure the pop-up only appears during the weeks leading up to the event. You can also choose whether you want to display the pop-up based on the local time of your website or your visitor's local time zone. How cool is that? On top of all that, Elementor 3.11 also includes a number of accessibility improvements in the following areas of the Pro version: pop-ups, search widget, post widget, and the flipbox widget. So what are you waiting for? Try out Elementor 3.11 and let us know what you think in the comments below. This is Ziv signing off. Ciao for now.